welcome, come along to Teacher Tutors where we belong. Learning ABCs, let's sing and play. Count with us every day. Letters, numbers, arts and crafts. Join the fun and make some.
Hello and welcome to Teacher Tutors. Today, we are excited to begin exploring numbers with our book.
Count with us, a journey into numbers.
Come along! Hello, welcome to our next lesson. So this is number 15. 15 is composed of numbers 1 and 5. If we put it together, that's 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Let's start. We are going to box all the number 15 in the circle. Let's keep moving. 3. No, this is 15. Go ahead and box it. 1, 2, another 15, 22, 15, 23, 6, 1, 3, 15, 7, 2, 3, and 20. We also have number 15, 16, 8, 9, 15, 1, 14. This is 15? Yeah, so we should not encircle or box that one because that is 14. That is the previous number. So let's have 15. And of course, 12 and then 10. Did you box all the number 15? Great job. Now I am going to erase my board and you are going to go to the next page. This time, we are going to look for the pictures that represents number 15. So we are going to count each pictures and make sure that they are 15 so we can connect them to number 15. Let's start. Let's have the kite. Let's count the kite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yay! So we can connect 15 kites to number 15. Next, let's have the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I connect the flowers? No, we should not connect the flowers. We are only looking for pictures that contains 15 pictures. Next, let's see the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We only have 14 pencils, so we cannot connect that. Let's count the airplanes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's only 14. So we should not connect it as well. Cat. How many cats do we have? We only have 1 cat, so there's no way we will connect them. Let's count the ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, we have 15 balls, so we can connect that to number 15. Did you connect the kite and the ball on your book? Great job. Now I am going to erase my board and you are going to flip for the next activity. Okay? Flip your page. This time, I want you to grab again your color, and as you grab your color, I'm going to explain what we are going to do. So what we need to do now is to color again the box, okay? We will color the box that contains number 15. Again, we need to look for numbers that has 1 and 5. We put it together, that's number 15. Let's start. Ooh, the first number, we have 1 and 5. If we put it together, that's 15. So yes, we can color the first box. 14, 23, 15. So go ahead. Oops, sorry. Go ahead and color. Go ahead and color that one. Oh, my board is not working. Hold on. This time, we are going to color the box that contains number 15. Remember, 15 is numbers 1 and 5. If we put it together, that is number 15. Let's start. 15, yes, 1 and 5. Go ahead and color that. 14, 23, 15, 18. Oop, we go back, yes. 15, so we are going to color this box. Okay, so we have 18 here. This is 6. So next is 15, so we can color this number 15 as well. We have 8, 17, 4, 1, 9, 15. Yes, I have number 15 here. So I am going to color that. 1, 25, another 15 right here. So I am going to color this because it has number 15. 7, 25, 17, and also 15. So we are again going to color the last box. Okay, did you color all the boxes that contains number 15? Great job. Now I am going to erase my board and you are going to flip to the next page. This time we are going to count the dots and make sure that they are 15 dots. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yay, we have 15 dots. Now, let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 dots. Now that we finished section 3, we are now going to turn our page or turn our book to page 139 because we are going to shade our stars because we finished section 3. Okay? Go ahead and proceed to that page. Okay, don't forget that you should have your name written up here. And you should have your section 1 colored, section 2. Now let's color section 3. I am now going to color my section 3 because I finished section 3, okay? So go ahead and color the star for section 3. Yay! Congratulations for finishing section 3. Okay, now congratulations again for finishing section 3, numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And we will see you for the next sections for number 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
11, 12, let's start the game. Count the numbers, call the name. 13, 14, here we go. 15's next, now nice and slow. Jump up high, count with me. 11 to 15, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and stomp the ground. Sing it loud, let's dance around. Find 11 on your toes. 12 is next, now touch your nose. 13, 14, spin around. 15's here, now sit back down. Jump up high, count with me. 11 to 15, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands and stomp the ground. Sing it loud, let's dance around. Find 11 on your toes. 12 is next, now touch your nose. 13, 14, spin around. 15's here, now sit back